Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lecture video, we will going to talk about that what are anchor elements and what are they useful for. Within it, we can create clickable links to other pages, website, downloads and even section of the same page. So let's get started. Okay, so our today's mainly work is on Visual Studio Code. So for presentation and for explanation, we will use Paint. So our today's main topic is that what are anchor elements and how are they used in HTML? What are anchor elements? So basically anchor elements uses some specific tag that are represented by anchor element and also by image element that are A and angle brackets. So they are used to create a hyperlinks and its most important attribute is href. That attribute is href. H-R-E-F. Href. It's important attribute of anchor element and it stands for hyperlink reference. It stands for hyperlink reference. It stands for hyperlink reference. And it also tells the browser that where to go when the user clicks on the link on a specific link. It directly opens the link. For example, if I give the link of the google.com, so it will directly open the google.com's interface. So we'll give a quick example of that. That A angle bracket and href, 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 and is equal to https dot slash google.com and go to Google. So here is a quick example of that particular website or a link. So here is a quick example of that, and when the user clicks on the text go to Google or clicks on this particular link, so it directly takes them to google.com. So now we will use a link or full URL to visit the particular website, and we will for that purpose we will use Visual Studio Code. We'll go at directly Visual Studio Code, and here I have directly copy paste the anchor element that I have given at the WhatsApp community of our parkweb.com, and from there you will paste that particular files and elements. So here is the practical work that my top 5 websites, that here are the top 5 websites of any user, and here we will directly write. So here today's our work is that ordered element tag. So here we have the ordered element tag, and here is the closing tag, and here is the heading element tag. That heading element opening tag and heading element closing tag, that my top 5 favorite websites are, and the ordered list tag. And after that we have used li and a href is equal to this particular websites and the product hut, for example www.producthut.com, and here I have written that product hut and the al and the li. So now we will do it practically, that how we will use this all. Okay, so here first of all we will write the heading element, that is, here we will write first of all the heading element, that is h1, and here, so here I will write that my favorite or my best websites, my best websites, and here I will just simply write the OL, and here I will write the LI and the A and herf, that herf, and is equal to that particular website, just as simply here that li a herf and the particular website link. So here I have done a mistake that I have directly written herf, but it's not directly written. So I will here is equal to. Now I will copy paste the link of any of the website. For example, I will copy the Google's website link, and here from here I will copy link address and I will paste it here. So here is the www.google.com, and now I will write that, for example, I will write google.com. So I will write here, I will do this and write Google, Google, and here will be the closing tag of the li. Okay, now next li, and here, and for the a and herf and herf and is equal to. Okay, I will cut this from here. Now I'm so simply here, and now for example I will take another website that is youtube.com, and I will just simply right click on it, and okay, here's no option of the copy link. Okay, here's the option of copy link address, and I will paste it here, control V, paste it, and now I will write YouTube, youtube, youtube.com, and here I will write the li closing tag. So here now I have given the two websites of the given website links, herf and the closing and opening tags to it. So it were the quick examples of some of the opening and closing tag. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Tell me that what should I cover next. If you have learned anything from this today's lecture, so let me know in the comment box. And your today's task is that you have to make other websites links like that. I have just simply write it that lia herf and this tag and the opening and closing tag on it, and the youtube.com and the google.com. So like this you have to close and open the tags, and you have to copy paste the links of any website you want. So it was today's lecture. I hope you understood it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.